Welcome to the new food delivery service that is purely simple and fit for everyone, Pure Eats. To be a part of the Pure family, it only takes a few steps. First, go on pureeats.com and subscribe to be part of the family. After you subscribe, our local farmers will pick their freshest vegetables that will fit your chosen diet plan. Pure Eats is not only for vegans and vegetarians, we also provide the freshest poultry and chicken to our subscribers. Once our farmers and butchers collect the ingredients, our chefs give our subscribers their most creative and nutritious recipes on the recipe card provided in the box. From the ingredients to recipe instructions, this is all placed in a compact, recyclable box. The box is then sent to our subscribers' house twice a week. The final step is to allow the subscribers use their imagination and skills to prep their own dinner. To meats, gluten-free, and vegan, we have it all. Based on your subscription, a meal can serve a variety of household sizes. Come join the Pure Eats family and subscribe to Pure Eats at www.pureeats.com or simply call 1-800-PURE-EATS. Pure Eats, sent fresh and to be made fresh.